trade I just want to show you that's setting up on the daily chart today. It's on the Euro CAD pair, and the two aspects to it. There's a technical aspect and a fundamental aspect. The technical aspect is we've got a series of inside bars inside this mother candle, and then we've got a break of every single inside bar on yesterday's bar pushing up towards the top of this range. Now, typically speaking, when this kind of event happens, you can be looking at a pop at it breaking that mother candle and maybe beyond. So I'm looking for a break of this mother candle up into this area to be taking profit today. Now, the fundamental reasons for this build in Euro CAD strength is, well, particularly this bar here. Yesterday there was a private inventory done on the oil build that's coming up later today at 3:30, and this private poll showed that there'd been a much larger than anticipated build of the oil inventory. And obviously, if there's more supply of oil, that means that the price of oil is going to be dropping down, particularly in the context of the OPEC deal and countries agreeing to restrict production of oil in order to try to raise the price. Now, the fly in the ointment of that OPEC deal was always the fact, and it is a fact, is that after countries agree to limit the supply of oil, there is an inherent bias for them to not keep that agreement, because if they don't keep their agreement and they produce more oil than they said they would, they obviously get paid higher price for the oil they produce. So there is a bias not to actually keep the deal. So are we beginning to see some of that coming through? I don't know. We'll find out later on the oil inventory that's coming out at 3:30. Anyway, that's the trade. And if we do see a further drop in oil prices, and they have been on the rise recently, but there's been a drop for the last couple of days, and it's going today. If we see a drop, then we could see EuroCAD pop up into this area. Anyway, I'm going to be keeping an eye on it, see what's happening, and that's my one of my trades for the day, EuroCAD Daily Long. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye. Oh, if you like the video, hit like, hit subscribe, and you can get the videos. Bye.